Welcome back to Learn Flute with me. Today we're going to learn how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Before proceeding, I want you to make sure to review how to put together your flute to ensure proper alignment of each piece. Double check your head joint placement to make sure that your embouchure hole is lined up with the first key on the body of the flute. Now when we talk about fingerings, we can use numberings for each finger as a shorthand. So left hand, thumb, left hand 1, left hand 2, left hand 3, left hand 4. Right hand 1, right hand 2, right hand 3, right hand 4. Today we're going to start with middle register D. Here's the fingering. Thumb, left hand 2, left hand 3, right hand 1, 2, 3. So it looks like this. I've also included this fingering and the others in the downloadable music linked in the video notes below. Now I always stand up to practice and I encourage you to do the same. So let's check posture. My spine is comfortably aligned and my head is just right on top. Everything's stacked up. And my feet are underneath my hips and I'm going to turn them slightly to the right so that my head can face you. So remember, we don't want everything lined up all straight and facing forward or we start twisting our shoulders. So I'm just moving my feet to the right. And I've moved a little closer so you can see more detail. So as we continue building from the ground up, my shoulders and my elbows are relaxed. I'm aiming my embouchure hole on my flute towards the ceiling, and my hands are already on the correct keys to play D. Now, just like an earlier head joint video, I'm going to bring my flute up underneath my bottom lip and kind of nestle it in there, and I'm going to drop my jaw and make a bit of a hood with my top lip to angle the air relatively low, like when I was blowing against the bottom of my hand from one of our earliest videos. I'm going to take a deep belly breath and blow steady air from the center of my lips with the rest of my face and jaw nice and relaxed. So here's D. And now C. The fingering for C is left hand 1 and right hand 4. And now B flat. Thumb, left hand 1, right hand 1, right hand 4. And here's Mary Had a Little Lamb. I've set my metronome to quarter note equals 50. One, two, breathe. I encourage you to practice playing along with me at 2 different times every day. When you have trouble, don't feel bad. New information is always challenging at first. Just keep going through your checklists to ensure that your flute is put together correctly, that you're holding it correctly, and strive to get a little better with each repetition. If you have any questions for me, you can drop them in the comments below. Happy fluting!